So hello guys, welcome back to our channel Crypto Console. So today we're gonna see about the project Hemi. So lately Binance has been mentioned that they invested in a Hemi project. So let's see about the project. So Hemi is a modular blockchain, is scaling the security between a Bitcoin and Ethereum. So let's see about the docs. It also has the virtual machine. So the virtual machine is basically integrates the Bitcoin full node with the Ethereum VM. So it is so good in terms of the security and scalability because Bitcoin has $1 trillion of market value and Ethereum has huge software and smart contract scalability. If they mention together, no matter what, it's going to be a blast hit. So, and so talking about that, Bitcoin is also getting into the programmability center. A lot of projects like Fractal, OPNet are coming. So this is one of those programmability project, but it's been supported by the big giants. And then it also has the cross-chain compatibility. So you can so the Hemi has the tunnel feature which can be bridged by from Ethereum to Bitcoin like that things. So it has superior asset handling. So it has the fastest block timing. So that's one thing. And so coming to the final part, that is Bitcoin super finality. So you can read through it. It is a proof of proof consensus mechanism. So it ensures the transaction that surpasses the Bitcoin level of security in just few hours. So if you, for example, if you send a transaction, so if you run the MI PoP miner, so what it does is it will validate the transaction. So until it will get the some amount of keystones. So keystones are the validation. What can you say? Validation receipts. So you can consider like that. So if you mine that validation, you will get a keystone. So the main motive of the this miner is you need to get as much as keystones that need to be mined. Okay. So a lot of miners are active now. So you need to get as much as you can, so that when the project get into the mainnet, you might get something. In Discord, the moderators and admins also mentioned that you need to get as much as PoP transaction keystones. So before moving to the node, so you need to complete the testnet. So this is similar like the Plum testnet. It also has the miles like points. So if you go here, so you need to go here, connect your wallet. So connecting your wallet, sign the transaction. It is feeless, so you don't need to worry about this. So after connecting your wallet, so copy this referral code and paste it here, and then connect your Twitter account. So then click Jumpstart Pilot Program. Then you need to go to Galaxy. So click here. For this, you need to have Galaxy account and then the Galaxy passport and the humanity score. So you know about the Galaxy task, right? So just finish this Galaxy task. Just like and retweet. So that's one thing. So you will get points for that. So the second thing is the tunnel, which is a bridging thing. So for this, you need to have Ethereum on Sepolia network. So I mentioned from a faucet that you can get. So I'm just going to copy the wallet address. So going to the Alchemy. So I already requested. Now Alchemy also increased their time period. So just wait for that. You can also use the Infura. I already mentioned it. So for you can also bridge the stable coins. So for that purpose, you can use the Aave faucet. After that, click faucet, and the amount is default. 10,000 tokens will be deposited to your wallet. So do the same for USDC and DAI. So I claimed all the stablecoin faucets. So next thing is I'm gonna tunnel the USDT first. So I'm going to tunnel 2000 USDT. So anyhow, the gas fees for depositing is higher. So I don't have that much gas. You can try after maybe in the midnights. So I tried yesterday. So at midnight it got much lower than the daytime. So tunnel through it. For now, I'm just going to cancel this. So for tunneling the stable coins, you can get 0.5 points per USDC. So this is a maximum of 2000 points. So you can tunnel per day for 4000 tokens. So you can do this for daily. So get the faucet and tunnel through it. So you can tunnel maximum 2 ETH per day. So you can also tunnel back the same ETH and tunnel for another day. That's the thing. And then for creating a safe, for this also you need to have Ethereum on Hemi. So for this I already ETH on Hemi here. Let me show you guys at least this. Connect your wallet. So here click Hemi Sepolia and then click connect. Choose whatever wallet is compatible. and click connect. So you can give anything. I'm just going to give crypto console. I'm going to switch the network, click next. So you can also add signers, but for now I'm just going to be me. So see here, you just need to sign. So getting the ETH from Sepolia to Hemi is the most difficult thing for now because of the gas fees, and all the faucet decreased their limit from 0.1, 0.5 to 0.1. So it will take a couple of minutes to create. So you can also exit it, it doesn't matter. The thing is create a capsule. So the swap is simple, you also know about it. Click go to swap and use the DEX for a while. So next thing is you need to create a capsule. So just use the connect button and connect your wallet, and then click add asset. So it's on now on the Ethereum mainnet. You can log in and switch it to, make sure you are on Hemi. If you don't, it will be automatically deposited your mainnet Ethereum. So for now this is, I'm going to deposit 10 tokens. So you can give any name, so that doesn't matter. So you can also make sure these are the futures, gasless pickup, asset key verification. For now I'm just going to continue with a normal thing. So this thing for now I'm going to enter my safe. So that's the only thing I have for now. So enter the safe wallet address, and I'm just going to transfer the assets. So it will pop up a transaction. So approve it. So it is like a middleman. You can also schedule the transaction. Also whenever time for like it's like scheduling a salary for your employees. You can add those address and the timing on the, for example, for the last of the month, transaction will be automatically sent into the certain address if you approve the tokens. So I created it. So after creating the capsule, you need to make some transaction on the DEX. So you can see here. So after that, all your points will get updated here. So for next thing is I updated it with the contract deployment. So here, right? So you just need to go to remix.ethereum.org and copy this contract. Just copy it. Wait for the ID to load. So here, create a new file. Just hemi.sol. You need to mention this .sol. So paste this thing. Click OK and click compile. So after compile, you need to get this green tick. So after compiling, you need to go here and click inject provider MetaMask or Rabby wallet. So if you don't see Rabby wallet, click customize this link and here type Rabby and make sure you enabled it. Okay, I'm just going to connect it with inject provider Rabby. So and you need to make sure that you are on Hemi Sepolia. So if you are on any other network, your gas fees will be detected. So I connected to Hemi Sepolia and I'm going to click deploy. So wait for this thing to get updated. After that, you need to click deploy. So also make sure that you are on Hemi Sepolia here and click sign transaction. So after that, a contract will be deployed, which is a token contract ERC20. You will get the transaction here. So click here. This is the transaction hash. You can go to the Explorer and you can check with that. So for now, I'm going to read through this. So you can check the decimals. So it is 18 decimal and so these are the bytes. I'm just going to check the name. So the name is MID and the symbol is, so this thing HMD. It need to return the HMD signal. So it returns the HMD and it also returns the total supply. So you can alter the supply by these things. You can change this, so it will be decreased. This is the pre-mine and this is the token supply. So that's the basic thing of this token. So you just deployed a contract on Hemi. So let's get into the node part. So the system requirement are 2 core, and you need to have at least 2 GB, but 4 GB is advisable for the speed purpose. On this case, the minimum is 50, so it is also advisable between 100 GB. So before moving to the node, if you haven't joined our Telegram channel, kindly hop in. So this is our channel. We post a lot of stuffs, so the peculiar ones, and we post a lot about the node, and this is our support group. So we will support the issues regarding the nodes and any other crypto related things. So make sure you follow me on Twitter and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. So we post content regularly about the nodes and testnet, so be there instantly. Make sure you hit the notification icon so you can get the video notification instantly whenever I posted. So in crypto you need to be early in any project so that you can grind as much as you can. So this project also same, you need to set up the miner as soon as possible. So if you need a VPS in a crypto method, you can use this link. You can go here and buy the VPS like that. I already posted how to buy the VPS in the last video. You can check that. So let's move into the node setup. First you need to update the VPS and install the dependencies. So the next thing is you need to carefully watch from here on. So first you need to figure out what architecture your VPS has. So if you are using Counterbow, you probably have the AMD 64. So if you are using any other VPS, kindly check it. If it returns ARM64, you need to use this code. For AMD 64, you need to use this. So I'm just going to copy this and paste this. So the next thing is you need to create a wallet. So after running this command, you will get the private key on the wallet address. So I ran the command, and the address is saved into this folder, PoP address.json. Okay, and now I'm going to only show the public key. So if you run this command, you will get all the information about your wallet. So I'm just going to run this. So this is my public address. I'm just going to copy this, and then I need to go to Hemi Discord so I can get some BTC token from the faucet. For this, just going to click here. So I joined the Discord. So if you joined and you scroll through lost, you will find the faucet channel. So here you need to /TBTC faucet. So and then you need to enter this address. So I'm just going to paste this and send. So my transaction is processing. So wait for a couple of minutes. So it will get passed through the mempool, and then you will get a confirmed balance. So after that you can continue with the service file creation. So you need to do the next process only after the pending transaction is converted into the confirmed balance. So if you do it before, your process will get a lot of errors. So don't do that. Just wait for the confirmation. So my balance got confirmed. So I'm just going to continue with the next process, that is creating a service file. So the service file is nothing but whenever your node or the VPS got maintenance or it got restarted, the service will kick off, and every process will get started by automatically. So you don't need to do anything. So for this, you just need to copy this, paste it like this, and you need to edit the private key. So you don't need to change anything but the private key. Okay, so come here and replace it with your private key. So the private key might look something like this, right? So just replace it and click enter. So I'm just going to replace it with my private key, and I will show you after that. So I updated with my private key. So the next thing is I'm gonna start the miner. So the daemon reload thing is your SSH connection will be restarted, and so this is the service name. So you're gonna enable it, and then you wanna start the service. This is the process of starting the miner. So the miner has been started. So I'm just going to check the status. So my miner is running and active. So I'm just going to quit the viewer and going to check the log. So see. So you might get some errors if you starting through that. I'm not getting right now. So even though if you get error, it's common. The only thing you need to have is successfully broadcasted the transaction. So it will get updated in some time. So see, the keystones is the main thing. So this is normal. You don't need to do anything about it. So it will get passed. Only thing you need to get is after maybe a couple of lines or something, you will see the broadcasting, right? So this, yeah, you just need to get this successfully broadcasted PoP transaction to testnet 3. and the transaction hash. You just need to get this. So if you got error, it's fine, it's nothing. So I'm just going to check my logs. So for that, I'm just going to copy my address so that you got from after creating the wallet, right? I'm just going to go here. So even though my miner is running, it won't show for at least 30 to 1 hour. So even though I click search, I just started the miner, so it won't show. See, after 1 hour, you might get some statistics on your node. So for now, I'm just going to show you my another miner. So this is my another miner address, and you will get the statistics. So see, totally I got 108 keys mined. So these are the fees I collected. So I set this today only. So these are the things. So the more keys mined, the more the better. So you need to mine as much as keys. So good luck with that. So this script is run only the one wallet on one VPS. I also created a script for a multi-wallet that can be run on one VPS. So you can create unlimited wallets and run on the same node. For that purpose, I just want to give that to the loyal subscribers and Twitter followers and Telegram supporters for my community. So I picked some of you guys that engaged me on Twitter, mostly the persons who retweeted the most and liked. So I picked some of them, and I also picked all from the Telegram, on Twitter and YouTube. Only those will get those script. So make sure guys you follow me on Twitter and join the Telegram channel and subscribe to our YouTube channel, so you can get this kind of stuffs. So make sure you engage on Twitter. So that's the most likely place, so that that can help our community to grow. Thanks to those people that actively engaged on my Twitter, that like and retweet any tweet I post. You guys really made me do these things, so thank you for that support. Stay tuned, or there is a bull run coming. We will get most of the things, and I will never forget you guys. A lot of things will come to you. Make sure to engage on Twitter and make sure to help each other in the discussion channel. So for now, I'm replying to the every messages that been sent in the discussion channel. So if you guys know the solution to the questions they are asking, kindly hop in and answer those questions. So that might be helpful for someone. So I can't reply to all of the questions, and I'm account also available for 24/7. So kindly help to each other. You will be noted, and we will grow together. So that's it for Hemi Testnet. And for next video is about T3RN node. So it is similar like this, but it is a executor node. So the node video will be posted I believe on Tuesday. Followed that I will post a video on Beta Testnet. So that's it for today guys. I'll see you guys in another video. Stay tuned and have a nice day guys.